Hi everyone, with another video. And I see a lot of guys, they are running out of battery nowadays. They have a phone and they're holding the battery power bank and they want to keep it together because as you know, a lot of nowadays we all using mobile a lot, play games, watching YouTube videos, and a lot of stuff we are doing. So because of that, the battery is not enough. Most of the time I see a lot of people, they're holding a bulky big power bank and they are running around together with the big wire or sometimes small wire they hold, and they just holding in the same hand power bank and the mobile in the same time, and they are just moving. But of course there's no way. Or another way, you can get the power bank case. If you have a power bank case, for example, it's thick a lot, and sometimes it's not, some people they don't like it because the power bank is make phone very bulky, heavy, and sometimes you don't like the shape, right? So I find the solution and I was thinking, why not share with you? So it's very simple and easy method. If you follow, you see here is some example. I'm going to do demonstration also here, but one thing, for example, this is my old iPhone and this is in the case. So if I can bring out case anytime, to press the power button here and you see start charging. So it's very compact and you don't have to buy or you have to buy the expensive power case, because these power cases are very expensive and you buy it because they are the battery built in and they make a case type. But you don't have to buy it because the benefit for this kind of power case, so you can stick with any kind of mobile, no matter you have Samsung, Huawei or Apple iPhone or any Android mobile device, you can have very nice emergency power case. And you see this is iPhone SE or iPhone 5s, the very small phone, currently no one using it much. So you see the battery is in the charging mode, and now when I bring out, it's just very simple. The good thing is, while you are on the travel, you can have it with your case and you can remove from your case, and if you don't want it, you can just go with the normal case. So how I do it, I want to show you. Okay, for example, this is a power case I put with the hot glue gun. With the hot glue I stick it on the back and you see the camera is working fine. And this is the smallest phone currently, and you have for sure the biggest phone. Now you see, if I want to bring out, it's very simple. Take slightly pressure, of course stick very well, but this is just hot glue, so this is not going to damage any of the thing from your mobile and even the case. Yeah, see, even the case is exactly as it is. There's no damage to the case and there's no damage because this is not the glue, this is hot gun glue, so it's like a silicone rubber and I can remove it all very easily. Even if I don't want to use, my power bank still safe, my case still safe, and you see I can stick it anywhere, wherever I want. So here you can see, I'm going to do it quickly. Yeah, you see the case is perfect condition, the power bank is perfect condition. So what I'm going to do, for example, this is your standard Android mobile. I'm going to stick it here for demonstration. I'm going to see, this is micro USB, so this is micro USB here. What I'm going to do, you can choose this side or this side, which whenever you like. So most of the time maybe you can find in the same color, maybe black or white, so you can choose. You can go to Amazon or eBay. I will try to find a link and I will try to enter on the detail description. So here you can see if the power bank will be stick here, it will easy go to here. It's not on, or you can choose any side, but for example I choose this side, so it's gonna be very easily go to the, and it gonna first I will take, and you see start charge, and I can bring out and stop. I can plug in, start charge, right? So this is a perfect way, and it's not gonna hurt your pocket if you put it in your pocket. So very simple. I'm going to put some hot glue here, for example like this. You can choose like 2-3 layer as you want, very simple, and then you can stick it exactly on the back of your mobile, just like this, and you can just keep it for a while, and you see it's very perfect condition. And this is your custom DIY emergency power bank case. You don't have to pay big amount. For example, if you go on AliExpress or eBay or Amazon, you can find the case is properly, I think $20, $25, $30. But if you buy a simple power bank, maybe you can find easily in the market. You can find it, I think, less than $10, because these are very cheaper. And anytime you feel they didn't work well, you can just remove it and you can change anyone. So the good thing is you don't have to worry for plug-in adapter, and you see how now it sticks well, it's look well, it's not look very bulky, funny, and even you can bring out the case and you can change another case if you don't like it. So now you see I'm going to insert, and here start 41%, and here the indication of level of your power in your power bank, and you see here it's look very nice. I think this is very simple and nice way to make any kind of mobile, no matter it's Samsung, Galaxy, iPhone, and you can have a case, and if you don't like it or you don't want it, you just bring out your mobile, very simple way. The iPhone was a little bit harder to, but this one is more easier actually. You see it's just come out. Okay, I bring up from here, and you see here it's very simple and easy method. And the power case is on the corner on the side. You can keep it and you can change. Maybe you can buy 2 cases in the same shape or in the same design, and this costs only $2 or $1. So you have DIY emergency power bank case, so you don't have to buy very expensive. I hope you like the video, because at least it's better than nothing. You are running out of battery if you are in the travel, you are in anywhere you are going, and you know, rather than you holding a heavy power bricks like that, and you just keep in the mobile and try to do, and you see your mobile still as it is, and you can plug in anytime in your power case, and here to go. Very simple. And the good thing is this, you can put it properly inside, just like that. Even you can put in your pocket, it doesn't make any problem to you, because it sticks very well. I just put a slightly glue, but actually, for example, I can put glue on the sides just like that. For example, you see, just like this. Okay, okay. So for example, you see, I can put it slightly more glue to make it intact more better way. You see, just like that. So it's not look bad, it's look very proper, and the strong way, all the way you can do properly, and I think it's really fun. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.